The next app I'm going to show you is Showme. It is a great whiteboard tool for your classroom, especially if you have iPads that your students have access to, because they are able to display this up on the board using a reflector app that you would have on your computer. And so you can get the reflector app and be able to take a student's device and put it onto the board, which is great use of showing students, other students, other ways of solving a problem, for example, in math. There are several tools here. We've got the eraser, we've got the picture, and this you can take a picture of something. So if you have a worksheet or you have something you want to diagram or label, you could take a picture of that and students could do that. You could go as far as bringing in an object that you want to show your students what you want them to do, record that, and they could watch that recording. So for example, math, there are so many different ways to do different problems. This is a great way to communicate with not only your students but your parents. Make a video of the lesson and then put that on your website so that parents at home can support their child's learning by watching the video and seeing how you solved it and what the steps were to solve the problem. You can search images on the web. You can choose a background. You can pull something, a file from Dropbox or Google Drive. It connects very easily and nice to both of those. So the bigger eraser, you can clear all your drawing or you can clear the entire whiteboard. Then you have all of your colors here, black, blue, red. You can add colors, color palettes, okay? As you see, different color palettes, they then upgrade you, and so there is a cost to that. But if you stay with the generic right across the top right now, it won't cost you anything. You can add pages, so just add a new page, add a new page, add a new page. I'm up to 4 pages already. So if I go back to page 1, and for example, I want to start recording my lesson, I would just hit the record bar button. That would start to record, and now it records everything I'm saying and doing on the whiteboard. So I could be solving a math problem, for example. And so maybe my math problem is 4 times 4 equals 16. Can you now show me in a picture form what this looks like? And so students could draw, 4 boxes with 4 little dots in it. Now I'm just using my finger, but you can use a stylus, and that would help clean it up a little bit and make it look nicer. But as I go on to page 2, it is still recording. It is still counting 53, 54, and so it's still recording. I'm done with the recording. I can press pause, and I can press save show me. Now I can save it as a draft, which means I can come back to it, or I can say I'm complete. It's saving it. It now has made the video. Now it start to record, and now it records everything I'm saying and doing on the whiteboard. So I could be solving a math problem, for example. And so maybe my math problem is 4 times 4 equals 16. Can you now show me in a picture form what this looks like? And so students could draw, 4 boxes. So that's show me. You're able to name your show me. So I'm just going to do math. Go next. You can choose your topic. You can choose elementary math. And you are then done. Now, if you had any groups, you could load groups, meaning you could load this to a specific class. So for math or for your section of math, you could create that group and load it. You can press done adding topics. And now you get to here where either you create your account or you can log in. It's very easy. It's a free account. You click new, you go through, you add all your things in, and then that video is housed under that area. You then can share that link on your website and other parents can see that. Again, if you use QR codes in your classroom, you could link this video to a station in your classroom. Students scan the QR code, the video pops up. Now you're supporting their learning. Again, this is Showme. It's very similar to EDU Creations. It is a whiteboard application, and it is nice because you can support students learning at home if you make these videos and put them on your website. Hopefully this helps. I encourage you to give it a shot, give it a try, and let me know what you think of it.